Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best bookshelf on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Forino Bookshelf. The Forino Basic 3-tier bookshelf has a sleek, minimalist design suitable for any room requiring additional storage or display shelving. It's manufactured from durable, engineered wood, so you can feel confident that it'll last. The easy assembly also makes it the perfect choice for anyone who needs to get their shelves up and running quickly, as the instructions are straightforward to follow. It can fit well into almost any space, so no matter the size of your room, you can easily add additional storage or display shelves without taking up too much space. What we like about it: super affordable price, easily fits in smaller spaces, easy to assemble, lots of colors to choose from. What we don't like about it: can't accommodate a lot of heavier books. Number 2. Amazon Basics Bookshelf. Amazon Basics modern 5-tier ladder bookshelf is the perfect addition to any room in your home. With a solid rubberwood frame and a walnut finish, it has a simple, modern design that complements any interior aesthetic. Its 5 tiers of shelving allow you to store all kinds of items, such as books, photos, awards, keepsakes, and more, making it a practical yet stylish way to organize your space. The descending ladder design increases shelf depth toward the bottom, with the maximum shelf depth being 14 inches. It also features a straight back that installs flat against the wall and an angled front, creating an efficient, space-saving look. What we like about it: sturdy and durable construction. Can hold up to 25 pounds weight per shelf. Modern, minimalistic design. Had an angled, space-saving design. What we don't like about it: some may find it difficult to assemble. Number 3. Hamadek Bookshelf. The Hamadek 6-cube storage organizer bookshelf is an ideal solution for anyone looking for a lightweight, flexible spot to store their essential items. The cubes contain polyethylene plastic sheets, sturdy metal framing, and ABS resin connectors, providing impressive durability and stability. And the connectors have a multi-layer locking feature to ensure that every cube sheet stays secure. This makes it easy to assemble and disassemble without worrying about parts sliding out of place or becoming loose. When it comes to overall design, it's practical yet attractive. What we like about it: can build different shapes for your needs. Works with fabric storage bins, available in several color options. Each cube can handle up to 15 pounds. What we don't like about it: a bit flimsier than traditional bookshelves. Number 4. Wallnicher Bookshelf. This set of 3 floating bookshelves from Wallnicher is an incredibly stylish storage solution for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. These wall-mounted shelving will provide plenty of storage space while preserving your precious floor space, making it ideal for small spaces where clutter can quickly accumulate. These floating wall shelves contain high-quality solid wood and metal brackets with a naturally burned rustic wood finish. The boards are securely attached to the powder-coated metal brackets for a sturdy, reliable solution that lasts for years. What we like about it: easy to install, attractive and versatile design, several color options to choose from. Shelves have a maximum capacity of 40 pounds. What we don't like about it: won't accommodate larger book collections. Number 5. Lindsay Home Bookshelf. This 2-tier bookshelf is the perfect storage solution for any space in your home. With both convenience and style in mind, it will surely enhance any room's look. Crafted with eco-friendly manufactured wood, it's very durable, with an exquisite sealing process that gives the piece a waterproof surface and smooth texture. And it features a chic rustic style that will look great in many homes. What we like about it: available in a few colors and sizes. Easy to put together with clear instructions. Trendy appearance. Shelves are adjustable, you can angle them. What we don't like about it: some colors are only available in certain sizes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.